looking forward to this air show coming here and showing just what this area, Cleethorpes, has for people.
This is a free event for all members of the public. It's very easy to get to from the A180 leading into Grimsby, or the A46 and A16 as well.
And we've got the perfect arena. We've also got In Bloom Awards, the Gold Award. It's beautiful here in Cleethorpes.
You'll have a great day of entertainment, both from the aviation world but also the ground attractions that you'll also see in Cleethorpes.
Personally, I'm looking forward to the dogfight between the Messerschmitt and the Hurricane. That'll be such a spectacular thing. Come everybody and have a look at it.
We very much hope you'll participate in the weekend of the 9th and the 10th of June of this year.